Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something exciting. The brand new Acer OHR562 TWS wireless headset. And I am super excited to unbox it with you guys. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. So this is Acer TWS wireless headset OHR562. It comes with long standby time, cancelling noises in phoning, multi-device compatibility. Let's see its unboxing first. Now let's talk about its specification. Model OHR562. It comes with plastic build and the wireless version is 5.4. The transmission distance is 10 meter and it comes with the Type-C charging port. The product weight is 31.7 gram. The battery capacity of headset is 35 mAh, where the battery capacity of charging box is 300 mAh. So this Acer TWS wireless headset OHR562 comes with ultra low latency. The new wireless 5.4 chip ensures audio and video synchronization, saying goodbye to lags and delays. The HD sound quality. The ultra-large dynamic sound unit brings a new sound quality experience, which is clear and flexible to the ear. Long-lasting battery life. The comprehensive battery life is 120 hours and the single-ear battery life is about 4 hours. What do you think about these earbuds? Let me know in the comments. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to share it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.